Have you ever experienced running out of storage on your iPhone? It can be frustrating when you have to delete apps or photos to make space for new content. But what if we told you that there's a way to automatically offload apps and save storage space? In this video, we'll show you how to do just that on your iPhone. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you like and share this video so that it will also reach other viewers who might be needing the same information. Now, let's get back to our topic. The first step is to go to your iPhone settings. Simply tap on the settings or gear icon from the home screen or app library of your iPhone. In the settings menu, find App Store from the list of items and then tap on it to get to the App Store settings menu. Once you're in the App Store menu, scroll down to the bottom section, then tap to turn the Offload Unused Apps switch on. With this switch enabled, your iOS device will automatically remove unused apps without deleting all documents and relevant data. Offloading unused apps on other iPhone models can also be carried out through Settings General and then tap iPhone Storage. Finally, tap to turn on Offload Unused Apps under the Recommendation section. And that's it! Your iPhone will now automatically offload any unused apps, and thereby frees up valuable storage space. The offloaded app appears with a cloud icon next to it. You can also offload a certain application on your iPhone. To manually offload individual apps, just head back to the iPhone storage menu from Settings and then tap the Offload App button on the succeeding window. Only the selected app will be offloaded when it's not in use for a long period. Should you wish to reinstall the app, simply tap the Reinstall App button or tap on the app's icon from the home screen of your iPhone. Reinstalling the app will place back all your data for as long as the app is still available in the App Store. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.